Anger, disappointment, disgust, the same emotions written by the police officer are being expressed by McDonald's customers speaking with News 6 and a business right here across the street.
You don't disrespect the people that serve us, take care of us, keep us free. Are you out of your mind?
Gary Gregory finds it so offensive, he says he'll never eat at this McDonald's again. Those are the same words of Palm Bay Police Lieutenant Tim Lancaster. He wrote on Facebook Friday that while waiting for his lunch in the drive-thru, an employee approaching him at the window looked disgusted, realizing a police officer was in line. So that person handed off the drink to another worker. Lieutenant Lancaster writes he asked if something was wrong, to which the worker answered the other employee, quote, refuses to serve cops. Lancaster writes he was embarrassed and upset, and in his 23 years of law enforcement, he never thought he'd be treated like this.
If you want to dishonor an officer or a soldier in this country, that's pathetic.
Does the employee still work here?
Thank you.
Walking away from our camera, this manager did not answer questions today. A corporate response from McDonald's came down over the weekend, calling the employee's described behavior, quote, unacceptable and not tolerated. Does it represent the whole company that one person would do that?
I'm not giving you a break. No way. Not after what I've seen happen in this country.
Can you excuse the company for that if it's just one person who did this, or does it really put a black cloud over the whole McDonald's franchise?
I would say it does look bad on the company as a whole.
Supporting Palm Bay police officers, this Domino's across the street is offering half-off prices to all customers in uniform.
In any sort of situation, I mean, local law enforcement is the first place you call, and you always ask them for help, but they don't ask you for help. I mean, it's the least we can really do.
What should McDonald's do with this employee?
I feel like that employee should at least be suspended, or at least very sternly talking to about what that was, because that was very disrespectful and very uncalled for. I mean, you're just there to do your job. It's what they pay you to do.
The officer wrote in the Facebook post that he was told by another clerk that that worker in question refuses to serve cops. Does that make you think perhaps it's happened before?
I believe so, honestly, because if other employees are, like, if they know about it, then I feel like that would be an issue that should have been addressed as far as, like, even just the hiring process goes, and just keeping a good look on your staff and see what's going on and everything like that. I feel like management should really tighten up on that.
You disrespect the people that have died and fought and take care of us, you know, and it's steady happening. You know, it's steady happening. You know, you got to stop it somewhere.
In Palm Bay, I'm James Sparvero, News 6.